Hi, welcome to Educationleaves. In this video, I have discussed different factors affecting productivity. This video is part 2 of the production chapter. In part 1 I have discussed what is productivity, how to calculate productivity, and purpose of increasing productivity. Check that video in the I button. Let's start the video. Factors affecting productivity. There are many factors affecting the productivity. First one is 1. Human resources. The general level of education is important for workers. To operate a computer and other electronic equipment, educated employees are needed. Only payment is not enough. They need to have good and safe working condition to perform better. 2. Product design. Through better product design, unnecessary parts can be eliminated. By this way uses of material can be reduced. With that, cost of labor, equipment, etc. are also reduced. This will allow to lowering the price of the product and make it more affordable for the customers. The role of research and development is vital for effective product design. If you want to know more about product design, I will provide the video in description and I button. Let's move on to number 3. Technology and capital investment. One of the major factors in continuing the productivity improvement is the technology and capital investment. New technology depends on the research and development department. To apply new technology, investment in the latest machinery and equipment is very important. 4. Machinery and equipment. Machines, conveyors, robots all are important factor in productivity. Computer-aided design and CNC have become essential ingredient in productivity improvement. It helps to make complicated parts very easily. And, the proper layout of the plant and machinery is very important to increase productivity. It reduces the material handling cost, reduces the rest time, thus improve productivity. 5. Skill and effectiveness of the worker. A trained worker can do the same job in a much shorter time than a regular worker. However, even well-trained employees must be motivated to be productive. 6. Production volume. If the volume of output to be increased, the number of direct workers and few indirect workers need to be increased. But there would probably not be needed for more number of engineers, research scientists, headquarters staff. So the increase in production volume increases productivity. 7. Government regulation. The government can eliminate unneeded regulations, and make a cost-benefit analysis to determine necessary regulations such as health and safety. More rules and regulations make the process complicated, its effects negatively on productivity. If you want to read in detail, or download PDF, go through the link in the description. Like the video, and please subscribe to my channel.